Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Duolingo. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Duolingo app. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by liking